Bus driver again looking up at the building here. Okay. There's the bus number. Let's see here. 9530 bus number. 9530 bus driver. And then they had a woman in there, you know, a fairly light-skinned black woman, staring at my feet, looking at my bag. Right? And so, you know, I had to do the obvious and mask my middle finger to her face. I have my phone in my hands and my middle finger sticking out. Yep. I should have recorded her ass on the bus, but, you know, I had to put my book bag on and, you know, and they do it very sneaky. Look, way over there, look, way over there. All right, bro, you got to do it twice. I know. I know, I got to do it twice. All right? Using the taillights of the car, the vehicle, to engage in their color, psychological color conditioning. All right, in their psyops. Now, how did I notice? How did I know this? I could spot them out because they used to do that to me a lot. All right, so I'm standing on the side of this vehicle, waiting. That's why he looks back, and then does that. So again, color psychology. Look. Look. That's a female. Is that a female or a male? That's a female. It's a female. Now I see playing with the lighter over there. Way down there. In the yellow hat. What's going on?
What's going on, brother?
Good. Alright. Talk to you guys in the video. The sirens. You know I got them.